Rich's Performance Exhaust Center, burning up the competition. Built using aluminized tubing with smooth bends. Stainless steel and mandrel bends are also available. Rich's Blue Flame staggered 3-inch dual tips are shown. Dozens of tips in stock for you to choose from. Pick your sound and your tips before you buy it at Rich's. With all major brands in stock, we have you covered. To further optimize your vehicle, we carry K&N, AFE, and Air Raid. Please subscribe, like, and comment below. See it and hear it at richsperformanceexhaust.com.